Oh, I didn't see you standing there. Welcome back to my 2014 Grand Cherokee. If you're just joining this video, let me invite you to go back to the previous video where I discussed my rear main seal leak and how much it would cost to fix it. So as you saw, it was almost $3,000 to get this thing repaired properly. So I thought, well, what if I put a $20 bottle of rear main seal leak fixer-upper in there? I did that. Over the week, I've taken a couple of interim videos. After I would leave in the morning, I would get out, kind of check, see if there was anything. Kind of had dew that had settled down, and I guess the dew drips out right around the same place that the oil was leaking, so it has a few false alarms. But after the first day or two, I haven't seen anything. So today I'm going to get under, clean everything up one more time, because there was some that leaked on the first couple of days. The juice hadn't had a chance to do juice things. So I'm going to clean it up, and then in another couple of weeks, I'm going to check again and see how clean it is still under there. But, so far, I think it worked. Okay, let's take our first peek underneath here. Oh yeah, so, as you can see, there's definitely oil that was dripping out after I changed it. That said, as you saw in the videos, I haven't seen any more landing on the ground, so I'm wondering, I think this is old, like after the first couple of days. So I'm going to clean this up and we'll see what happens over the next several days. So we'll get in here and we'll wipe all this off of the oil pan. The goal here is to get this as clean as possible, so then we can really get a good assessment in a couple of weeks of whether or not it's still leaking. So I'm probably going to get some cleaning juice here in a minute and actually clean all of the residue off. Hit it with a little brake clean. Just hoping it would get some of that crusty stuff there, but I don't think it's going to. That's okay. Okay, I think that's about as clean as I can get it. Should give a very good indication in a few weeks where we stand with any oil that's still potentially leaking. So, if you're anxious to see the end result of the success of a $20 rear main seal fix, please click that subscribe button. Doesn't cost you anything. Helps me out to where I can keep making content for you. See you next time.